Morning, everybody. On the farm today. I'm going to show y'all what I've been messing with on this baler. I finally got time to come out here and mess with it. Okay, there it goes. Okay, what I've got here is this knot right here. It is, I done forgot which one nods and which one don't. I think it's this one on this side. This one right here, the needle's coming up right here. It's tying off. No. It's over here. It's over here. This one right there, it's tying off like it's supposed to be. This one isn't. And what I've got to come to conclusion is that the gear behind it, when it goes through the needle, it's not turning it and nodding back around. And for the needle can still come out, but it's just not, it's pulling that line through and then pulling that line back out. And that's what it's doing. I don't really know if that's it. I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm not real sure. If y'all know something about it, holler at me on YouTube. You can subscribe below this video. You can subscribe, comment below to tell me what you think it is. Because I am just stomped with it so much. Just have to clean all the hay out of it because there's still some hay in it. And there's hay in the rack. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. But I will get it out what it rushes away. And like I said, just if y'all think it's something different, put it down in the comment below. I think that's what it is. I'm not real sure. I haven't run this baler but once in my life. And that's just because the last time it was run, I was very, very little and didn't know how to run it and couldn't run it. So, I can read, there it goes. Got two new things, baling twine in it. But for all else, it's running really, really good. It's running like it's supposed to, and everything else. I've had no other problems except it tying off. And it may not be timed right, I don't know. That may be sort of the problem, but I think it's timed right and it's still not tying off. So that's why I say it's what it is. And what we're cutting the hay with now is a bush hog. And that's it right there. But we are working on this hay cutter right here. And in this hay cutter, PTO will, I've got it out, but I can't get that piece up there brought out, so it won't, the grass won't, the hay will not wrap around the PTO. If y'all know any solutions there, comment below and let me know. Everything on this baler, or on this hay cutter, hay cutter, We haven't got to test it out yet, so I'm not real sure. It may break, fall apart, never know. All we've got done with it is PTO pulled out of it. It was sitting 20 years and the PTO didn't want to come out. But we got the PTO out. And then we've got to test it. But that's, and it's got some weird kind of damn thing, as y'all can see. 2 bars, one at the back for the side arms and the top arm, and then that arm right there, and I have no clue what